Brownie and Whitey. Today I'm gonna call them Tyler and Snowy. Because we don't have a dog that is yellow, Brownie will be it. And Snowy is the white one. And this is Tyler. It's not really their name. Their name is really Brownie and Whitey. Today I'm just gonna call them Tyler and Snowy like a challenge. Are you ready, guys? And go. They are super well eating healthy. Look, and they're only 3 years old. What? Bye-bye, guys. Subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.